Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Video and SRT in the same folder, same cut. Open the SRT in a plain editor or a Subtitle app to inspect first. This shows you timing, line breaks, and encoding. Once done, make sure the file is UTF-8 so special characters display correctly. Then scan the timestamp format, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and confirm numbering is sequential. Because broken numbering or wrong encoding causes players to ignore. You now edit content and timing to match speech. Trim or extend timestamps so each subtitle stays visible long enough, typically 1.5 to 3.5 seconds depending on length. Split long lines at commas or pauses to help readability, keeping around 42 characters per line. Use an editor that previews against the video so you can nudge offsets in small increments, because small shifts fix lip sync and prevent overlaps that confuse viewers. You finish by exporting the corrected SRT and testing it with the video. Save as SRT using UTF-8 and then try both external loading and embedding via a muxer. Different players handle them differently. Once tested, make any final tiny timing tweaks and re-export. If something goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. If subtitles don't show, make sure the SRT file name matches the video name exactly, confirm UTF-8 encoding, and check the container's subtitle track visibility settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.